Alle foto's gaan doorgefactureerd worden.
Dankjewel. Hi everyone, welcome back again in Shills Belgium channel. So, as I share with you guys, our appetizer. So, they are so liquor. They are so yummy. By the way, guys, I turned off the sound, the background music, and I cannot find music that no CPR. Everything has CPR. I don't know where can I go to download background music that no CPR. It's very difficult. So, by the way, guys, as I shared with you in the part 1, we are here in Hotel Astrid, here in Aus, having a brunch with the family of my friend, the parents of Joanna, and we are having now our appetizer, and the food were very yummy. You have a lot of choices, guys. So I will show you at the end of this video all the some of the photos that I took. Anyway, in the first video, it's already an introduction of the food served, the appetizers alone. So this one is shredded. It's like beef. It's a beef. As you know, I don't eat pork or something else. Just beef, and I took the beef because they have beef. They have garnalen, shrimp. You know the smaller than shrimp. We called it here garnalen in Dutch, and it's so liquor as well. And they have also some um, pork, but you know I don't eat pork, so I just took some food that I can able to eat. So I removed the music. Also, I muted the original audio, guys, because it's very difficult. I already re-uploaded this because when I upload, it's CPR. So I tried an online um, background audio music, but then when I upload it says that no CPR, but when I uploaded it, it's really CPR. So to be safe, nag-chika na lang ako sa inyo while eating. So ayun. My friend just invited me aside from her whole family, just me and the ninong and ninang of Joanna. So here in Belgium, you just have um have one ninang and one ninong. It's not like in the Philippines that you can choose how many you want. I don't know, but as far as I know, just one ninang and one ninong. So, yung mag-asawa lang, yung ninong ang kinuha nila, yung si Ate Lani, which is yung kinakausap namin dyan sa harap namin dalawa ng friend ko. And by the way, not only Joanna has celebrated confirmation in this hotel, but they are 4, I guess. And some of them were classmates of Joanna. So there are 4 families, 4 tables that was in here. So it was a very nice hotel, guys. The ambience is beautiful. Okay, very relaxing. And decorations in the entrance, very minimalist. So it's like uh, very nice. It's cozy, you know. Although hindi siya kagaya sa yung mga hotel ba na yung ibang hotel na grabe yung very colorful or very entertaining yung sa entrance. Pero itong Hotel Astrid is parang wala lang. Kahit sa labas nga, simpleng-simple lang talaga. Parang nga lang siyang garage yung sa entrance niya. Kaya nga minimalist style talaga. Pero pagpasok mo sa loob, it's very cozy. And there's 3 or 4 Filipino working in here as well. Uh, two ladies, I guess. 2 ladies and 2 men. Yeah, as far as I remember. So, ayun. We are enjoying sa appetizer pa lang, guys, I tell you. Busog ka na. And then, kaibahan naman kasi dito, guys. Pag nagpa-book ka sa mga ganito, is hindi yung parang buffet ba, na nilalagay na nila lahat yung food. It's not like that in here. So, first, they give you the appetizer, and then after an hour, I guess, after an hour, to be follow yung kanilang main course. But then, natunawan ka na. Although, very heavy na yung appetizer pa lang. Busog ka na, kumbaga, di ba? Sa dami ng kinain ko, ang ilang pabalik-balik kaya ako. Kasi ang sarap talaga. So, matunawan ka bago talaga dumating yung main course. And then, yung per person nga pala ng bayad. The per person, actually, it depends which one you choose. Which menu you want to choose. So, each menu has different prices. So, this menu that my friend choose, it costs like 90, each person 90, for adults, 90 euro. And 10 different kinds of drinks, 10 not unlimited, but 10. If you ordered more than 10, yung pang 11, you have to pay it, or it will be added to your bills later on. Ayan. I go back to take something again, because I really love the beef and the salmon. It's really tasty. And the husband of Atilani said that he thought we don't like to eat this beef because, you know, the foreigners, when they eat some steak, they like 20% cook, or 50%, or like that. But we don't like 80% cook. We want really fully cooked, right, in the beef stick. So they thought we will not eat this because, it's like still have some bloody things, but it's not, it's okay, because it's thinly sliced, and the taste is very tasty, and it complements with a side dish with a shredded cheese. I don't know which kind of cheese they put, and also there is some like sweet and sour fruits. I just forgot the name. Actually, that fruit is it was written and it was mentioned in the Bible as well. I just really forgot what kind of fruit is that. But it really complements with the taste of the beef. It's like a beef fillet, you know. It's like that. So it's very yummy overall, as well as this salmon with white asparagus. It's really yummy. That's Atilani. So she was here since Atilani was here in Belgium, according to them, because it was my first time meeting her. Uh, from 1986. So I was saying that, wow, Atilani was here when I'm not born yet, you know. So she has two children and they are grown up already. Anyway, it was really fun, guys. And talking over foodie. Oh, this is the beef fillet. So, ayun. I don't know if I still have something to say. But anyway, guys, just enjoy watching. And sorry again because I don't have some background music yet. I need to explore. So, that's my friend. Her name is Giselle. And she's this is what I'm eating, guys. The like a sweet and sour. It's a fruit actually. I just forgot the name. Prawn. I have to check what's the name of this. But yeah, it's really tasty as well. And this my friend. She's from Jensen. And she's studying nursing and she's going to finish this coming June. So her mother is coming to attend her graduation, the graduation of her son, and also Joanna, because they are going to graduate in different dates, but this coming June. So it's very near, and yeah. So enjoy being with some Filipinos, you know. Actually, we don't really see each other that often because she's busy, I'm also busy. So, some special occasions, or if I have time, I go visit her and she visited me too. So, that's it. That's just the routine. So, she's a good friend of mine. By the way, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm still eating in here slowly, but surely. By the way, thank you once again and see you in the next part, guys, as I'm going to share with you as well. Our the main course that they serve. It was really delicious as well. So, see you in my next vlog, and as always, I love you so much all, and thank you so much for always supporting my humble mini channel. Love you guys. Bye.